Hey guys, and welcome back. You can probably see behind me that the garage has been changed up a little bit. Now I have wanted to do this for a little while. I was really starting to get bored of the way it was decorated in here. There's still bits and pieces needing done, but they will be done, and I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at right now. Now everything that we have done in this garage has been done by me and Ryan and a few friends. Not very many people have helped with this. It has been a real DIY job. I've been down here quite a lot. I've been in here so many hours. Ryan's been here so many hours. I've been working and then coming straight here and getting it done. It took us about 6 days, 5-6 days to get here and to get it complete, well, nearly complete. Everything is done, all the hard bits are done. So if you guys are subscribed to the channel, you will know what the garage looked like before, but if you are not, I will add a video in. But I'm going to give you a complete rundown of how much I've spent and how much it's cost. This has all been done on a budget. We have not had a huge budget. Like I said, we've done everything ourselves to cut costs. I couldn't afford to bring someone in to do the stuff that we have done. I didn't get much footage of what was happening throughout the process, so I'll add in the bits that I did get done and then I will show you guys the end result. Remember, it's not completely finished. I will talk through at the end when I show you guys around it. But yeah, let's go and have a look around the garage and see exactly what has been done. Biggest difference that we've done. The roof has been painted black, but I think it looks really good with the lights on it. There are bits and pieces that still need touched in. So we have got 22 LED lights. So I decided I would like them on the wall. You will notice that there are still cables on the wall. Those are going to be hid just haven't got round to that today. I'm like, as I'm going to work, but those will be hid. And I wanted to show you guys exactly what these lights are. We got 22 of these lights from Amazon. I will put the link below. And they turn on and off with this little switch. They all plug and play, so you get either 6 or 8 in a pack, and you can connect them all with these little leads that they give you. So it is super simple. You literally just screw these onto the wall. You literally just screw them onto the wall and plug and play. Then at last minute we decided we were going to put this square up. Now this square does need another coat of paint, and I think the lights just look so good. You can see just how well the cars look with those lights under them. Then we went ahead and we painted half the floor black, and we could have went out a little bit. We may come out a little bit more. What we did, we painted the floor black just to have this little area sort of separated from the other side. So this side is going to be painted grey again at some point, but it took so long for the black to dry that we didn't want to go ahead with the grey because we don't have time. We just don't have time to keep the cars outside, and it's supposed to snow tonight, so we didn't want to leave the cars out. And then, as you guys know, I had my detail and stuff all on the wall down here. I've just moved it all up this way, and yeah, just put it onto this wall. I think it looks so clean and simple and tidy, and hopefully it stays like that. I know some of you guys weren't too sure if I would keep it like that before. And then I've got my toolbox, and some of you guys laughed before by saying that I was the only person who could get away with having a mirror and a ring light and a hairbrush in their garage. So that's all going to be here as well on the toolbox. And then we have a fridge, and then we have this black cabinet. Well, we have the cabinet we always had. I am in the process of painting that. And then this is all the stuff that still needs to go to the skip and get rid of. But I will paint this cabinet sometime this week when I get a chance. And then we just kept the other light over here in case I needed it for when I was getting my detailing products, or if I needed to see better. We just kept the batten we had from before. So we also used to have our seating area down here. I decided I would move the seating area up here, and I decided I would paint this wall and the window wall the same colour as the back wall. So I did them a nice natural slate grey colour. Finally got round to getting the TV up on the wall. It's such a huge TV, and hopefully that bracket holds. And then we just moved our old sofas up here, and yeah, just put a few pictures up on the wall. I have a few things I want to get for this section, but at the minute it's just pretty much we moved the sofas up. They need a good clean. They're a bit dusty. They've had a bit of overspray on them and stuff. But if you're sitting over here, you can just see everything. I just think it looks so good. I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. Okay, so we'll go over the cost, because I'm sure I will be bombarded with messages about how much this actually costs. So the most expensive thing that we bought was the lights. The lights came in total to £206, I think it was. So we'll just call it 200 for argument's sake. So the lights were £200. Now they are so good, so handy. Literally plug and play and away you go. And it saves you bringing in an electrician, it saves you bringing in someone to fit all these lights, because that would have cost me a clean fortune, and I do not have a whole lot of money. I don't have a big budget. So that was the dearest part. They were £200, which isn't bad at all considering I had 22 lights. So divide 22 lights by 200, someone smart out there can do that. Makes the lights £9 each, which is so good. Then we got the floor paint. The floor paint was quite expensive. I had to get this one from an actual paint specialist, and it was £46, I think. Then we got the roof paint. Now we went through 4 tubs of paint. Well, we've still 2 left. They were £10 each, and then I had already bought one before that, which was 26, but it did not last any time at all. So if you are going to paint a roof black, you need to be prepared to go through quite a lot of tins. So we're up to £312 for that. Then I went and bought far too much white paint. You can get away with buying 1 tin of white paint, but I bought 2 big 10 litres, which was on offer at £20 for the 2. And then I bought the grey paint. Now I got the grey paint for £26, and 1 tin done the back wall and this wall, and they are quite a big space. So 1 tin did enough, and that was £26. So then we went and bought some cable trunking. We haven't actually put it on, as you guys will have seen. I ended up getting a 7-pack of the cable trunking, which was 2 metres long, and it came to £22. To complete this garage, it cost me £380, which is extremely cheap for what we have here, because you could go into a normal garage, a showroom, or a detailing bay and see the stuff that we have here, that we have just done ourselves. The reason we have spent less money is because we cut corners by doing it ourselves and just by getting our hands dirty and putting the hours in. If you were paying someone to do that, it would cost you so much money. So I do recommend, if you guys are handy, to do it yourself. I could do it. I've never done anything on this scale before and it was fine. So I do recommend that you guys give it a go yourself. The lights definitely saved me a bomb on electrician work. Let me know what you think of the garage transformation and let me know if you thought it was worth the money. So anyway guys, I was so happy to share this with you. I think I'll make the visuals a lot better on the channel. I think the videos will look a little bit better and yeah, I feel really happy with how it's turned out. Okay guys, so as always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.